Hey everyone, in this video we'll see that how we can add a note at the beginning of a single linked list. Let's start. So for adding a note at the beginning of a single linked list, what are the steps that we have to perform? So at first we have to allocate a memory, and as we know that we have to set the next address as null. Then we'll check that our head pointer is null or not. So if our head pointer is null, it means that we don't have any values or any nodes within our linked list. If our head pointer is null, then there is no meaning of adding the data at the beginning, because you have to add the data at beginning. So if head is null, then what we'll do, we'll just add the node to the head. So then we will have only one value within a single linked list. Let's say that our head is not null. Let's say that our linked list contains 10 or 12 values. Then what we'll do, then we have to make some shifting. So what are the shifting? Else we'll add head to the node next, then we'll initialize the head as node. So this is the only step that you have to perform. Now how we can perform that? So let's see that how it works. Let's start with a dry run. So let's say that we have a list, like this is the list we have. Let's say that we have 3 elements, and our head pointer, we have a head pointer which is pointing to the first memory. Let's say that head, and it has the, let's say, f0, its memory is f2, f3 to allocate a node. So let's say that we have allocated a memory, let's say 100, and this is like f10. Okay, now we have to move this f10 over here. Now what we can do, we have to make this head pointer pointing to this node. Now how we can do that? At first what we have to do, so what our head pointer contains, our head pointer contains f0. Now so at first what we'll do, let's say that this is the temp node. Now what we'll do, at first we'll write temp next equals to head. It means our temp next, like this node, will contain f0. Then our temp node will be pointing to this node, that is the first node. Now what we have done, we have assigned the head into the temp next. Now both the pointers are pointing to the first node. Now how we can do, if we traverse the head, then like it will go like this, it will print f0, f2, f3, like these are the memory addresses. Now there is another step that we have to perform. So what we have to perform, we just have to write head equals to temp. Now if we write head equals to temp, then what the head will do, head will just contain, what is the address of temp, that is f10. So it will contain f10, so it will be f10. Now the head will point to this node, and the new node we have created, that is temp, it's currently pointing to f0, f0 is pointing to f2, f2 is pointing to f3, and at the last we have null. Let's say that it has two parts, like one is data and one is address. So this is how the things going on. So I think this portion is clear, that how we can add a node and what are the steps we have to follow. Now let's look at the algorithm. At first what we have to do, we have to create a node, then we have to take the data, then so I have shortened the steps. So you just have to write temp next equals to head. Then what we'll do, we'll just assign the address of temp or the address of temp node into head. Then head will be pointing to the temp node, and the temp is pointing to the previous memory of head node, that is the beginning of the list. So let's say that we have taken a temp, like this portion. Now this is the temp. At first what we'll do, we'll just assign ff2 over here. So you can see that we have assigned ff2. Now both the pointers are pointing to the same node. Head is also pointing to here, our temp is also pointing to here. Now what we'll do, we'll just assign the value of head with fff0. As you can see that now the value of head is fff0. So fff0 is pointing to like this node, that is 100. Then 100 is pointing to this node, that is 80. 80 is pointing to 90, that is fff4. You can see that the address of 90 is fff4, so it's stored in 80. The address of 80 is fff2, it's stored here. and the address of this block is FFF0. So we have stored the address into head. So I think these portions are clear that how you can add a node at the beginning of a list. So let's start with the hands-on. So as you can see in my screen that I have written hash include stdio.h, hash include stdlib.h, type def struct node. Then we have taken the head pointer. This is for allocating the memory, and this is the function for inserting anything at the beginning, and this is the traverse function we have discussed before. Now what we'll do, we are inserting 3 values. So let me compile this code. At first we'll put, let's say, 900. So in the first position we have 900, then we'll put 800. Now at the first position we have 800. So how the list looks like now? The list looks like 800, 900. Now let's say that we'll put 700. So the data in the list are 700, 800 and 900, and number of elements in the list are 3. So this is how we can add the node at the beginning of a list. As you can see that at first we have entered 900, so 900 comes to the last. Then we have entered 800, then we have entered 700. So at last we have entered 700 at the very beginning of the list. So this is how we can add a node at the beginning of a single linked list. I hope these portions are clear. If you have any doubt, just write in the comment section. See you in the next video.